Nakahibalo ka mo bala nga may aras ang quiz bee para sa mga nursing students? Ini ang ginatawag na Battle of the Nightingales. Nursing students halin sa mga eskwelahan sa Negros Occidental, Negros Oriental kag Iloilo ang magakompete. Sa 2017, nasuguran ini sa West Metro Medical Center sa Zamboanga kag sa 2023, ginhimo na nga nationwide sa Metro Pacific Health.
This was actually started by Zamboanga Metro in Mindanao until eventually this was adopted by all the hospital network of Metro Pacific in Mindanao, and they started the region-wide Battle of the Nightingale in 2022. So the Metro Pacific Health Network, through Dr. Harish, he found it very, very ideal, to promote the nursing as a profession. He considered adapting that, and eventually it becomes the MPH-wide Battle of the Nightingale in 2023.
Kag sa ika-third year sa Battle of the Nightingales, 13 ka mga schools all over Western Visayas kag Negros Island region ang maga-compete.
Actually, for this year, we invited 16 nursing schools now. But out of 16, there are 13 who responded to join the Battle of the Nightingales this year. In 2023, we have 10 schools, our MCI cluster. Then last year, 2024, we have 12. And luckily, this year, we have 13 schools who participated. Will be participating this August 29.
Sir, kung schools they coming from?
We have 6 from Occidental, then 4 from Oriental, and 3 from Iloilo.
Halin sa easy round, nagabudlay ang questions pagkato sa difficult round. Pero ang questions ang nagahalin mismo sa Philippine Nurses Association.
What usually happens during the contest is that this is what we do at the very start is through HR they form a fishbowl draw lot of all the for all the participants so that they can be prepositioned on those tables. And when the contest starts, this is usually hosted by the Philippine Nurses Association.
Kag ang questions they coming from the Philippine Nurses Association also?
Yes. In interest of fairness, the Philippine Nurses Association is the one being commissioned to draft all the questions. So they have the quiz committee who prepares the question for us, and we don't have access to that except during the time that during the contest proper.
Kag ang mangin champion diri sa aton ang magakompete naman sa Metro Manila sa October sa Nurses Week celebration. Kontrahon sang team ang iba naman nga mga nursing students nga nag-champion man sa iban nga mga lugar.
After the local competition or the RMCI run, so the champion team or the champion school will represent Riverside to the national championship, yes, which will be held every 3rd week of October.
During months mo sa
National Nurses Week.
What are the prizes at stake sa local at sa national?
Sa local, for the first place, we have 30,000, second 25, and then the third place will receive 20,000. Then for the coach, we have 5,000 for the first place, second place 4,000, third place 3,000. Then sa national, it's 100,000 and 50,000 and 25.
Kada tuig, nagadamo ang nag-participate gani mas naga-exciting ang event.
It's the 3rd year and it's going to be more fun and exciting because those who keep on going into the final round are really preparing that hard for them to finally and hopefully bag the championship this time.
Kag for this year, sa SM City Bacolod Activity Center patigayuno ng event sa August 29. Dito na magakit-anay ang tanan nga mga competing teams.
We would like to invite everyone on August 29, 1 p.m. at the SM Bacolod Activity Center for our 3rd run of the Battle of the Nightingales RMCI run.
Come join us on August 29 at SM Activity Center together with the 13 participating schools. This is going to be fun and more excitement is at stake as we host this event because right now the schools are really preparing that hard to represent our region to the national 2025 BOTN.
Sang 2023, Kolehiyo San Agustin Bacolod ang naging champion. Sang 2024, Riverside College. Kag sining 2025, sinuna man ayhan. Ina ang mahibaluan sa August 29 sining tuig.